Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Judge.me app and stop review widgets step by step clearly. To uninstall the Judge.me app and stop review widgets, begin by accessing your Shopify admin panel. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section from the left sidebar. In the Apps section, scroll down to find the Judge.me app. Click on the Judge.me app to open its settings. Inside the Judge.me app settings, look for an option labeled Uninstall or Remove. Click on the Uninstall or Remove option to initiate the uninstallation process. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to uninstall the app. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking OK or Yes. After the app is uninstalled, return to your Shopify admin panel. Next, navigate to the Online Store section from the left sidebar. Click on Themes under the Online Store submenu. Find your active theme and click on Actions. In the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. This will take you to the code editor for your theme. In the code editor, look for the section labeled Sections or Snippets. Search for any files that reference Judge.me review widgets, typically containing the term Judge. Carefully remove any code snippets or references related to Judge.me from those files. Make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Finally, refresh your online store to ensure the review widgets are no longer visible. Your Judge.me app is now uninstalled, and the review widgets have been successfully removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.